All right, guys. So it is what 8:30 in the morning, and I'm a little bit hungry. So we're gonna get some breakfast downstairs, and once we're finished, having breakfast, we'll get our stuff, our luggage ready, and hop on the shuttle, and that's gonna take us to the airport. All right. So stay along for the journey. All right. So we're just gonna start it off with some coffee.
No me coffee.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
That looks good. Is it good?
It's delicious.
Well,
Delicious.
thank you.
Bro, watch out.
All right, guys. So breakfast was breakfast. Breakfast was okay. Nothing special. Besides that, we're heading back to the room now. Grab our suitcases, and then we're gonna head to the car. All right.
Max, even can just look here. Okay?
All right, guys. So after a smooth flight from Fort Lauderdale, we finally made it back to Jamaica. There's just something special about stepping off that plane and feeling the warm Jamaican air. For over a year now, my wife and I have been planning and preparing for this journey, and now it's finally here. Yeah, we are on our way home now from the airport. So once we get home and get settled in, I'll keep y'all in the loop and make you know what's going on. You understand? Yeah. As we leave the airport and make our way back home, through Montego Bay, it's hard not to take it all in. The familiar roads, the mountains, the distance, the palm trees swaying and the breeze and all of that good stuff. Just something about Jamaica that feels different, No matter how many times I come back, it always feel like home, because it is home. This is only day one, guys, and there's a lot more to come, so continue, with us along the journey as we see where it leads. Alright, guys, so this is a fresh lime, That one I kind of dip on the ground for a minute still, but I know lime, a sour orange. Yeah, I say lime. Sour orange, people, see it there? Yeah, sour orange tree. You can make some nice sour orange, what you call it, juice. Yeah. We have some guava tree there, right? So guava the tree same way. Yeah. Banana tree. So we have some passion fruit there, guys. Passion fruit, I just eat the red one them, And you also have the regular yellow one them. These are the red one. Behind the tank? Okay. So you have scotch bonnet right there, so. Scotch bonnet pepper, right there, so. These are the red ones, red passion fruit. They're not ripe yet, but maybe in a few more weeks. That one, this one right there is ripe. So I'll pick it. See it there? Passion fruit, people. That may I tell. See our next one here. Fresh passion fruit from the garden, from the backyard. Yeah, see a whole bunch more here, but I don't pick them yet because I don't really need them right now. I'm gonna leave them on the tree. Make them go on, relax until I decide, say, all right, I'm gonna eat a passion fruit right now and thing, Yeah. Yeah, man. So that's go on right now. See it there? More guava tree. Even though the guava is not my favorite fruit, but when I blend it up in some juice and everything there, Yeah, man. Guava juice, nice, people. Yeah. I'm showing our next view. how I go on. Yeah, man. That's the backyard right there, so you see it. A lot of fruit trees in the yard, you know. That's one of the good thing, one of the great thing about living in a Jamaica, in the countryside. You have access to all of them fruit trees and thing. You understand? Yeah, man. Jamaica is where it's at, man. Jamaica is where it's at, guys. Yeah. But as you all know, I just reached home from the airport. So I go kind of relax, you know, and figure out what else, you know, we'll do. Because, you know, what? Dinner time now. Eh? Oh, yeah. Look, guys, more passion fruit, you know what? Passion fruit for days. You can't finish them passion fruit, man. Oh, yeah. Yes, guys, so I'm going to include the passion fruit in my diet, you know. So every morning when I wake up, while I'm here for the next 30 days, God's willing, yeah, I'm going to include passion fruit in my diet, yeah. We have unlimited passion fruit right now, yeah. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to give y'all a nice drone shot, an aerial view so y'all could see the paradise, nature, and enjoy the scenery. You understand? Yes, guys, so we're back at it again, you know. Yeah, man, but let me tell you this, it's hot outside, hot like fire. Nah, like, not even exaggerating it, guys, you know. So if you're thinking about coming to Jamaica, moving to Jamaica for a long period of time or permanently, keep this in mind. Keep that in mind that if you don't have no AC and you don't have no solar with the proper electricity, trust me, you're gonna have to, I don't know if I explain it, but you're gonna need some type of AC. So if you're the type of person that worry about the heat all the time and always have to have your AC, then you might want to reconsider, because today is our first day back and me not lie, it's like 10 o'clock in the night now, and like earlier I was sweating like crazy, sweating, yeah, but just took a shower done and feeling much better right now, you know. So we just go relax. Then I drink some ice water just to show you how hot it is. Yeah, it's been a while since I had some good ice water still, but yeah, man, that's something to think about, guys. You know, the heat. You know, if you can't really do the heat, yeah, reconsider. But the heat is a big deal for me right now. But I already have my plan. You know, I already have my plan to deal with it. So that's something my wife and I were gonna figure that out, right? Yeah. So I'll deal with that. Yeah, man. So I just wanted y'all to think about that, you know, to know about that. So I'm gonna end the video right now because I don't really have much to say right now. So I'm gonna draw out the video and keep y'all just watching and listening to foolishness. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a big day planned tomorrow. I can't even tell y'all what we have planned for tomorrow, but you might want to stick around for the next episode. Alright? Thanks for watching. Big up on yourself. Peace.